Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your DOQAUS Care 1 headphones with any MacBook. So to do this, we just have to click and hold this power button to turn it on. There we go. And right now, when you hear the notification sound, you have to go for this system settings, go for the Bluetooth on the left side and select your headphones from the list. It's actually the DOQAUS Life 4, not Care 1. Sorry for that wrong introduction. So just be patient and wait for the connection. There we go. Right now just click connect. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.